Hey everyone, Zach here with GP Psych Works, and we've got another new windshield for the Honda Rebel. And this time we're going to show you how we get a 1000% increase in wind protection. Alright, so to be specific, this is for the Honda Rebel SE trim, their special edition trim, which comes with their special edition cowling, which goes on the front. This isn't for the big Batwing model fairings that come on the 1100. So this SE cowling comes on the 500 and both the 1100. So we have a lot of riders ask us, why do we even need a windshield? So there's three main benefits of the windshield. First is going to be the actual function of it. It's going to be the added wind protection. In addition to wind protection, you're going to get added water protection, protection from the rain, and then also protection from debris. And this isn't going to just protect you and yourself and your body, but it's also going to protect the bike. So a lot of people have electronics mounted up above the cowling, and this is going to give those electronics a little more protection from the wind, water, and debris, just like it's going to protect yourself. So the other main benefit is going to be the actual form of the windshield. So you got the function and then you've got the form. This is going to be dressing up your stock cowling and really making it look a little more sporty and customizing it. So along the same vein of customization, a lot of people get bikes and want to make it your own. Just like when you get a new phone, you want to get a phone case to protect it and kind of personalize it. It's kind of the same thing with the windshield. This is personalization and it's also protection. The nice thing about this is once you order the part from us, it gets shipped to your door. You can take the cowling off and then you can just bring it inside and do the installation yourself at your dining room table. You do not need to take the bike to a dealer to install this, and you do not need any fancy tools. So it's a pretty easy installation that really dresses up the bike, makes it yours, while also serving the functional side of protecting the bike and protecting yourself. So the other part of this easy installation is that this does not require any permanent modification to the cowling. So that was one of the biggest requirements of this project, is how do we get a windshield to mount on here without having to drill or modify your cowling. So with our windshield, you can just install it with the hardware we provide, and if you want to take it off or do anything or change out the cowling, you can just remove the hardware and your cowling stays the same. So we pretty much designed these clips that clip on the front of the cowling and hold the windshield in the front. And we also have some angle brackets that utilize the same mounting holes that the small windshield uses. And we use that as the back mounting points. So we've got our front mounting point here and then our back mounting points there. We've got another video with the installation where we also talk a little more about the hardware specifically, because it is a pretty cool design. It's engraved aluminum, it's got Rebel engraved in it, and they're high quality, powder coated, really long lasting product. And once you install everything, it's real rigid and stable. Okay, so we're going to quickly put the windshield on, and then we're going to talk about a little more about how we get that 1000% increase in wind protection. All right, so that was the really 5-minute installation of putting the windshield on, and now we can kind of see everything together, and you can see a little more of the form side of it, the looks, and how it really dresses up the cowling and really adds another sporty dimension. But the biggest thing is, how do we get that 1000% increase? And really, you just saw it. This isn't even our tallest windshield, and you go from 0 wind protection to about 175 square inches of wind protection. So it's a little hard to calculate the actual percentage, but it's definitely a big number. And really this gives any kind of electronics that you've got here full protection when it had zero. It gives your body a little more wind protection, protection from debris, and then also protection from the rain. And the other big requirement is we also want to keep the handlebars clear of any mounting hardware, because that space is normally used for electronics, any kind of other gadgets, chargers, lots of other things could go mount there. So we really want to stay away from that area. And the last one is we wanted it to be integrated with the cowling and make it look like it's one piece, because there's a few other products out there on the market that look like add-ons, whereas this fits in with the cowling and really looks not necessarily like a factory piece, but doesn't immediately jump out as an add-on, and it looks like a totally add-on accessory. So that's where we came up with this design with the hardware in the front and the hardware on the sides. We've got that other video like we talked about before where you can see the actual full installation steps and also more specifics on the hardware. So the other main benefit of this windshield, we kind of talked about the function form, but how does it really apply to you? So when you've got added wind protection, you're able to go on longer rides and stay more comfortable, because sometimes the wind blast will give you more of a parachute feeling where you actually really get fatigued while riding, especially if you're a new rider. And this helps cut that wind pressure and cut that fatigue so that you can go on longer rides. And also you can go in, a little more adventurous rides if it seems like there's some rain clouds in the area, because this will also protect your electronics. It won't keep you dry, because pretty much no windshield will keep you completely dry, but it will protect anything you've got here from really seriously getting wet, and does cut the rain. All right, so we've talked a lot about the function of the windshields, the form of the windshield. So now we'll talk about what we offer as a company. So the different sizes we make are a sport size, which is what we've got here. This is our 9-inch model. And then we've got sport touring and touring options available also. As far as the colors, we've got a lot of different colors. The ones here that we've got shown are our clear models, our light smoke bronze model, and then the one that we've got installed is the dark smoke bronze model. The bronze tints fit really well with the orange cowling, so that's why we've got these ones displayed here, but we also have some light gray and dark gray tints available also, as well as more exotic colors if you're interested in that. If you're ready to go and know what you want, you can go ahead and order online. If you have any other questions, which most of the time we don't answer all the questions in one video, then give us a call. We're a small business, so you'll get me myself if you call or email us or send us a message. You can also just comment below. Lots of different ways to get a hold of us. Also check out that other video on the hardware installation so you know what you're getting into, and we will get your order going for you. All right, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.